Hello chiropractors, I know your biggest problem is that you don't have a consistent flow of patients, and that's because many chiropractors rely on referrals and word of mouth. Because of this, some weeks are very busy and some weeks are very slow. In this video, I will show you the complete system that is not an ordinary system. This is a proven system that will generate you a consistent flow of patients. You will get all the kind of AI automation and other which is the need of your business are available in this system. So you don't have to chase leads. All follow-ups will be automatically handled by AI and you only focus on healing patients. By the way, my name is Shimon Shams. I am the founder of Growing Flow Ads and working with chiropractors from last 2 years across the USA. Let's deep dive into the video and see what system structure looks like. Again, I am telling you this is not a random system. It is a system that are using by top clinic owners and they are making thousands of dollars in revenue every single month. And if you wanted this system we are managing and handle on the behalf of you, just link in the description, book a call with me. Here is the complete structure of our system. Firstly, we need a CRM. The CRM is a client relationship management. The foundation of the system is CRM. We can use in your case is go high level CRM. Here is why it's important. Every single leads and information like a phone number, email, names are stored in one place. So that means there is no more loads, sticky notes and spreadsheets or trying to remember who called last week. Is that Adam or Smith like that? So plus once all the data in the CRM, we can use it for later retargeting and upscaling over a patient's flow. Think the CRM as a brain of your clinic marketing system. Now the first step is complete. Our CRM is set up. Now it's second step, most important step, advertise our services. So now in the system is now next step is generating those leads. So we use platform like Google, Facebook, and Instagram that generate leads for us. The key difference is consistency instead of depending only word of mouth and referrals. You can now have a steady, predictable stream of people finding you online and showing interest in your chiropractic service. And the next step is booking appointment. Once those ads start bringing in leads, the system automatically guides them to book an appointment. No back and forth phone calls, no chasing. The CRM captures the leads in details, send them to an online booking calendar, and schedule them into your clinic meeting, cleaning availability. So by the time they come to you, everything is already set and ready. The next step is reminder for maximum show up. It is here where the most chiropractors struggle. People book appointment but they can't show up to your clinic. This is exactly where our system really shines. We use AI automation to make sure patients actually walk into your clinic. We use emails are automatically sent to confirm and remind them for their appointment. Text messages are also sent out at key time to ensure they don't forget. Consistent follow-ups is why our system achieve 85% plus drop rate and compared to much lower industry average. Let me give you an example. If Maria book an appointment with us, like they have neck pain and they wanted to solve this problem. So once we get their appointment, we have all the data in our CRM. What AI can do, they send automatically emails and text to her so that they can actually shop. Just like a Maria book appointment, after 5 minutes, they see a text message that X clinics and like, hey Maria, X clinic, you book an appointment with X clinic like doctor with doctor this and you have appointment timing like this like 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. like that. And after that once the next day if they book appointment for next 8 p.m. we send also text messages and emails on 1 p.m. and after that we send a text messages using AI for 5 p.m. and before 1 hour over the appointment. So that's where the actually this system bring up a high shop rate. The next step is obviously some leads can't show up after these all these information like that 15% which are can't show up to our clinic. What we can do with those leads, this is not a wastage of our leads. So now we even use a reminders and people who want show up to our clinic and that's okay. This is the normal. Some people can't show up. Maybe they are busy. Here is the difference: most clinics stop following up after that. But in our system, those leads were never wasted. If someone missed their appointment, we use email and text them again to rebook their appointment. Because of that information we have already saved in our CRM, we can also use for retargeting ads. If they miss out appointment and we make a specific ad for those who and not show up to our clinic, So we make a alert, hey person, you can't show up like this. We create a creative and again retarget them to to make sure that they book appointment again with us. Now in the results, what this system looks like, we run ads on Facebook, Instagram and Google. The person who wanted treatment is sent to our landing page where they book an appointment and fill out our form, and all the information automatically go to our CRM where we are make a workflow, automatically send SMS and emails just before the meeting, before the appointment, before 12 hours of appointment, before 6 hours, before 1 hour, so they can actually show up to our clinic. They never miss out if we are regularly follow up them. Yeah, you have a meeting after this hours, you have a meeting after 2 hours, so like that they are definitely show up to our clinic. Somehow if somebody miss out the appointment, they can't show up the our clinic. So we target the lost leads every single day until they book again. So what we use for retargeting, we use ads. Like if you are running ads on Facebook, we use retargeting ads. So we have information like email, phone number, and name. So we make a custom audience and retarget that person through Facebook ads. And we also have their phone number. So we send SMS to rebook their appointment. We also use email for rebooking. And in the end, they rebook their appointment. If they can't rebook the appointment, we are until sending regularly every single day. We are pitch them through our ads, SMS, as well as email. Congratulations, you create a system that will consistently generate 30 plus new patients every single month without chasing leads and no worrying about slow weeks. Instead of trading over marketing, no show off, you will get focused on what you do, which is helping and healing patients and growing your practice. If you wanted this system for your clinic, just link in the description, book a call with us, and let's grow together. Stay blessed, stay happy.